So Microsoft Dynamics Business Central is really the application we've been waiting for Microsoft. It has the right technology, it has the right platform in Azure, it has the right company, it has the right philosophy behind it, it has the right price point, and really it builds on Microsoft's deep skill set and legacy of the Navision product, the Azure platform, Azure SQL Server, Power BI for analytics, reporting. It really takes this whole legacy and puts it together in what we believe is the most cost-effective, scalable, mid-market ERP system on the planet.
Some of the pain points with other ERP systems that we found historically have been mostly in the deployment of those systems. Required new hardware, multiple servers, multiple teams of people being involved to even get the system up and running. With the introduction of the cloud, especially Microsoft's vision for Business Central, we can have a system up and running within a few minutes. We can have users provisioned and they can be in that system on the same day that they make the purchase, which is not something we were able to do in the past.
So one of the great things about Dynamics 365 Business Central is their user model and their price points. So they do acknowledge the power user, and the power user is going to be your core back office people, the same way it always has been. So you have finance, you might have some manufacturing operations or procurement, other people that have the deep users of a business application. But Microsoft has also made provisions for light users. They have very cost-effective users who are read and edit and approve and process. They have very cost-effective and the world-beating Power BI linked to it.
With a unified application such as Dynamics BC, you have the benefit of having a single login across all of your Microsoft platform. You can log into Dynamics BC and manage security for individual users in that application. At the same time, those same users have access to the Microsoft Office platform where they can get Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and any other Microsoft applications hosted in Office 365. And the same users can be provisioned for Power BI.
From a connectivity standpoint, being able to connect, again, whenever and wherever you are, is something that is much easier using Business Central.
In terms of the Dynamics 365 BC platform, Tensoft has a lot of experience helping customers enable their company on ERP systems. So we take our industry experience and we work with our customers to help them provision the Dynamics BC application in the most effective way for their needs. And we can work with a small startup customer, and we can work with more complex customers that have multiple companies and entities.
In most cases, somebody at Tensoft has worked in your position. We work with software companies, manufacturing companies, high-tech manufacturing companies, and we have people on staff who have worked in all of those industries. And in many cases have done an ERP implementation as a customer. So we've seen it from both sides. We understand the disruption that it could be or can have on somebody's day-to-day work. And we make sure that we take that in consideration depending on the specific implementation.
Our goal is to add value from the beginning of the process, to add value in our know-how, to add value in the applications that we use to extend the products. And so that vertical depth is a big part of what we've done to distinguish ourselves, and it's also what makes our company tick.